place like Wyoming, it's very different from, some place like LA or Chicago or New York, where you can basically ignore, the natural world. There are enough resources, to where you don't really need to know if it's going to, snow that day or rain that day or whatever. There are lots of places in Wyoming where you do not have that luxury.
The Shining Mountains, they were once called, now the Bighorns, after the bighorn sheep that roam the high crags, peaks rising over 13,000 feet above sea level. Wilderness, beauty, cliffs, and forests and waterfalls, a place where people can get away from the noise and the crowds, a place to meditate and tap a special spiritual vein, like the Plains Indian tribes who come here before the Europeans and came here still on a vision quest.
Topography is destiny. Wyoming topography is made up largely of the tops of a bunch of what used to be really, really big mountains, filled in with the basins, stuff that's eroded and washed into the areas between. That basin and range structure has provided more access, both north-south and east-west, than almost any other state outside of the typically flat areas of the American Midwest.